think your Samsung Galaxy isn't getting true 5G speed? In this quick guide, I'll show you the fastest way to enable 5G settings. Check if your phone is using the network correctly and help you get the best connection in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First of all, open the settings menu on your phone. Once you are in the main settings page, scroll down a little, find the connection tab, tap to open it. After this menu, scroll down again, look for the mobile network option, click on them. Here you can see various options. Look for the network mode option, tap on it. Here you can see the three pop-up options such as 5G preferred, LTE preferred, 3G preferred. To enable 5G preferred, simply tap on it, the 5G preferred name, and automatically enable it. And that's it, how you can easily enable 5G on your Samsung Galaxy. But however, if you don't find the 5G or 5G preferred option here, this means your phone not supported 5G or not available your phone. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, hit like, subscribe for more Samsung tips, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys.